We'll see how to set up LIF account on Wealthsimple app in simple, easy step. And for this, let's go to the computer screen. Just below the video in the description, you will find this Wealthsimple Refer a Friend link. When you click this Refer a Friend link and sign up Wealthsimple account, I'll show you that in detail. We both get $25 reward when you deposit $1 into Wealthsimple account. Either you click on this link if you're able to click, otherwise just copy this link like this. If you are on desktop, you can paste it on the search bar like this. When you paste it and enter, if it is on desktop, you see here, I'm opening on desktop, you will see the screen where you have this sign up now to get a $25 referral bonus. So here you go and sign up to the Wealthsimple account. If you're using the referral link through mobile, then the app will open like this and you will be asked to sign up. Once you do that, once you sign in, I will get notified like this. You can see in progress. And when you do at least $1 deposit into your account, we both will get reward like this as you see on the screen. And for some reason, you don't see the reward. Remember, you have to do the deposit within 30 days of initiation. And once you do that, we both will see this reward. If you don't see that reward, reach out to me and we will figure out how to get this added to your account. Make sure you have signed using my referral link. Once you sign in, you come to the home page, and on the home page, when you come down, you see here open or move account. Click here and then open a new account. Once you click here, now you see this has entire list from credit card, checking, USD savings, TFSA, RRSP, non-registered account with the margin available, FHSA, RESP, crypto, all the way down till LIF. Life Income Fund, LIF, is a registered retirement income account used to pay you income from logged in pension money. So basically, this fund originally came from an employer pension, and your money continues to grow tax deferred. Withdrawals are taxable income. I'll not go in much detail as of now. We'll see how to open this LIF. Once you click on LIF, here you see there are two options: stock, options, ETF, and portfolio. How you would like to do your investing. Now, for you to understand what these two are, when you choose this stock, options, and ETF, basically here you are self-directing your investment. You buy and sell your investment yourself. You are in full control of what you invest in, and this is when you are comfortable making your own decision. You're looking for flexibility and customization, and you're looking for investing for growth. You decide what to invest in and when. And here you see it mentions low fee. I'll explain in detail how this works with example, but for now, just remember this part. When it comes to portfolio, you see here, invest with confidence in portfolios built by our professional team. Wealthsimple professional team builds this portfolio and offers this to you. So there's going to be some fee on these portfolio. Once you go through with this instruction and confirm, you will see LIF account on the home page thereafter.